Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Seferis and I am the founder of Cool Stuff and Accessories. Cool Stuff and Accessories is an online store where you can get high quality of great products. I was tagged yesterday by a follower on my Instagram account to participate in this Walmart cooking challenge. As a new mom of a baby of a 10 month, I think that cooking in home is so great and also is very important and is very healthy. I accept this challenge, so I want that you do it like me. Walmart is giving away $250 gift card to 40 winners. The only thing that you have to do is to go at walmart.com/challenge, watch the video of the 4 culinary chef that is there and get inspired. Second, go to your kitchen and do that spectacular dish. And third, share the spectacular dish in your social media using the hashtag and the guidelines below in this caption. Good luck. Hi there, we are back. So we are making today this delicious and healthy dish called Panamanian Greek Ladopsomo Chicken. So let's start. First, we need to put on a pot some water, fill it out with water. Then we turn the water in medium. We also need to clean the 2 breast chicken. Then we look for the salt. Then we put the chicken inside the pot. So hi there, we are in the next step of doing the dish. So we need a cucumber, so we are going to drain it. We cut it in half so we can take out all the seeds that is inside the cucumber. You see all the seeds, we have to take it out. Have all the seeds taken out, then we're going to grate it with this. We're going to do that because we need to grate it so all the cucumber has like water inside. So we need to take out the water that is inside the cucumber. Now that we have finished with the cucumber, what we're going to do is that we're going to put a little bit of salt. So the water gets out from the cucumber and we leave it there standing for 10 minutes. So we put a little bit of salt. Use this one, which is Himalaya, but you can also use whatever salt you have in your house. We mix it out a little bit. And then we leave it there for 10 minutes. So the water comes out. So next, we're gonna have another bowl and we're gonna put 2 cups of organic yogurt. It's very important that you use a good yogurt because it's better the yogurt, it's gonna taste the tzatsiki. We are going to make the tzatziki sauce, which is a Greek sauce that everybody on Greece. So we're going to use this organic Greek yogurt to do the tzatziki sauce. So I think this is good now. And now we put a little bit of lime on the yogurt. We cut some fresh garlic and we also use some meat. And once it's done, we put it inside the yogurt. Now we have cut the onions and we have cut the mint. And we're gonna put it inside the yogurt. Now we see the cucumber is full of water. You see? So now we're gonna take out all that cucumber and put it on a paper towel. So now we have the cucumber inside the bowl, and we're also going to include the garlic and the mint inside the bowl. So now that we have everything together, we're going to mix everything. So now we have put inside the tzatziki sauce, which is the yogurt. We put the cucumber, the garlic, the mint. We have put some oil. We have put some black pepper, and we also have put a little bit of oregano. So now we're going to mix everything. Super rico, delicious, and delicioso. We're gonna leave the tzatziki sauce in a side, and then we are going to shred the chicken so we can make our famous ladopsomo. So now that the chicken is ready, with the fork, you're gonna start shredding it and put it inside a bowl. All the chicken pieces, you're gonna shred it like this. So this is how it looks, the shredded chicken. So now it's ready. So now we are going to cut another cucumber. We're gonna use a red onion. We're gonna use a tomato, and we're going to do kind of like a pico de gallo. Now we have cut the tomatoes, and we're gonna put it inside the bowl. Now we have cut the onion, and we are going to put it inside the bowl. Now we add some pepper and some oregano into that salad. Now we are going to add some lime juice into the salad of tomato, onion, and cucumber. And now we are going to mix everything. So now what we're gonna do is that we are going to have some pita bread. We're gonna take it out, and we're gonna take out two. Now everything you see the plate, is all the pita in squares. So now what we need to have also is to have some Calmatas olive, and it's better if you have them sliced. So we are going to make the salad by putting first the chicken. Okay, so now this is how it looks with all the chicken. So now that we have come up with the chicken all over, we are going to put the salad. So it's getting prettier. So now we're gonna put some Calmatas olive, my favorites. Love them. And we're gonna put them in different parts of the plate. So now we are going to shred. This is the feta cheese. So we're gonna shred. So now we have completed the plate. So this is the Panamanian Greek Ladopsomo Chicken salad. It's very healthy. I really completely recommend it. Good luck in your challenge. If you like the video, please click, give us a like, and follow us in Cool Stuff and Accessories in Facebook, Cool Stuff and Accessories in Instagram, and we also have Cool Stuff and Accessories Pinterest. Bye and have a great day.